There are 1350 potentially active volcanoes worldwide, and United States have the highest number of volcanoes. Today we are going to talk about some facts that you might don't know before. Tigers are the most vengeful animal. Research have found that tigers will seek for vengeance that have wronged them. One situation was stated where the tigers was held in grudge for 48 hours before attacking and killing the hunter that tried to kill it. More people have been killed by cows rather than sharks. Annually, there are only 5 deaths caused by sharks. However, cows kill 4 times more amount every year. Cows kill around 22 people annually. Cheetahs are unable to roar. Instead of roaring, they just meow like house cats. Roar is possible due to 2 pieces hyoid in throat, while cheetahs have only 1 piece hyoid in their throat, and that's why they can't roar. There are no mosquitoes in Iceland. Entomologists have found that the mosquitoes have never migrated in Iceland yet. However, they do reside in neighboring countries that surround it. There are 1350 potentially active volcanoes worldwide, and the United States have the highest number of volcanoes. These volcanoes can blast at any time. These are just like sleepy dragon who can attack at any time and let make the world suffer. If you don't know what volcanoes can do to our earth and how it can affect our world, then just subscribe our channel. We are going to upload a video about volcanoes, then how these can blast and what will be effect on our beautiful world.